Okay, y'all. Now, since we have to wait for the non-baked Oreos to form, um, I'm going to fry some Oreos. Yes, tooth is kicking, y'all. So we about to fry some Oreos. I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. Okay, I have some pancake mix. Okay, have the Oreos. I have a bowl and a spoon. I already got the water inside the bowl. So I'm about to open up the I'm about to open up the pancake mix. Pour enough in there that I think that's going to. Y'all, I had to change my camera. Okay, y'all. I already have the pancake mix mixed up in here. So I'm about to turn the stove on so I can let the frying pan heat up before I put my oil in the frying pan. So, like I say, for the ones who want to learn how to make fried Oreos, you get you some pancake mix. You get a bowl, a spoon, and some water. And you add the pancake mix inside the water. Let it dissolve. And then you have some Oreos. And I'll show you the next step, okay? Then also you have to get a frying pan. Because you frying the Oreos, right? So we letting this heat up. And it's already heated, so we're gonna add some oil to the pan. Enough oil to fry the Oreos. You don't need that much. Just enough to fry the Oreos, okay? So we got that. Let that get heat. And then we'll be ready. So while that heating up, we're gonna put some Oreos. And these are the thin kind. I got the thin kind, but y'all can use the thin kind or the thick kind or the real, real deep filling. I think that's how it goes. But yeah. So I'm adding 4 at a time inside the bowl. And I'm going to cover it with the pancake mix. Cover all the Oreos with the pancake mix. Okay, just like that. You can't see it, right? Okay. So, the grease should be hot. I'm going to test it with some water. Ooh. Y'all hear that? It's ready. You turn the fire down small. Okay. Let me get my spatula, okay? Because you're going to also need a spatula to flip the Oreos over. Bring y'all down a little bit. Hold on. Okay. So you see? This is what the frying pan. Okay. Got a little Oreo. We're going to put one inside. Hold on, be right back. Hold on. Alright, now I'm about to put one of the Oreos inside. Add some more. Because I still got room in the frying pan. Fried Oreos, y'all. That one wasn't ready. That wasn't ready. It's just like making some pancakes, you know. But you're just putting Oreos in it. That's all you're doing. That's all you're doing. That's all you're doing. Frying up some pancake with some Oreo in the middle. Alright, I'm going to let that fry on down. Once that's done, I'm going to come back to y'all, okay? Okay, y'all. The fried Oreos are ready to come out. And there we have it. Fried Oreos. Can you see? Fried Oreos. Okay, and I'm going to show y'all another tip. With this fried Oreos, what I'm going to put on. I got some powdered sugar. So I will be using that. Hold on. I get 3. And I'm pretty sure the girls gonna want some too. Just some powdered sugar. And this is what I do. Powdered sugar. So that's how you make fried Oreos. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Tell a friend and tell a friend and tell more friends to come on over to Mama Weesie channel. And y'all stay, keep a lookout because I'm definitely going to show y'all how that no-bake Oreos came out, okay? So with all that being said, y'all, here go my Oreos. Y'all see?